Hello everyone, this is Priya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful tassel. It's very easy to do, so stay with me till the end of this video. Before starting the main tutorial, I want to request all of you, if you are new in my channel today, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get my next video update, and if you like my video, give a thumbs up. So let's get started. At first, let's see all the necessary supplies for this tassel. I will use cotton yarn. You can use any kind of yarn, a yarn needle, a scissor and a card like this. The length of this card will be the length of your tassel. That means if you want a big tassel, you have to use a big card, and if you want a small tassel, then you have to use small one. At first, I will twist the yarn like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times you will twist the yarn, it's totally depends on you. Okay, here I twisted this yarn for 5 times. Now I will cut this yarn. Now I will tie in the top of this card like this. And now I will cut this yarn into middle like this. Here I take some yarn. Now I will twist this yarn here like this. I twisted this yarn here. Now I will make one knot here like this. I tied this yarn. Now I will use this yarn needle to hide this yarn. Now I will enter this yarn needle like this. My tassel is complete now. If you like my video, please like and share it and leave a comment into the comment box. See you in my next video with a new tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye.